No one seems to be excited about the iPhone 14 Pro, myself included. During the keynote, I was pretty let down. But there was one feature that I was pretty excited about, which is the stabilization or the action mode. Now, the action mode does not work on the front-facing camera. So to turn on action mode, you will need to go to your settings, scroll down until you find the camera. Then you will hit record video and you will turn enhanced stabilization and action mode lower light. Make sure those are both clicked on. Go back to your camera, swipe the video, and then you will hit the little icon at the top and it will say action mode on. Now you're ready to shoot action mode. So everything is handheld. I didn't put it on a mini tripod. I didn't put it on anything. I held the camera up just like this and ran with it. I made this as a typical anybody is going out, they pull it out of their pocket and they just start filming, just start going. That's how I wanted to make it. So all the footage is taken straight from the phone, 1080p, 30 frames a second. We didn't do anything fancy, no color grading, no nothing. This is straight from the phone, authentic and as natural as possible. No ProRes, no nothing. And when you compare it to an iPhone 12 Pro, it's like night and day. Not gonna lie, stabilization off is just as good as having the action mode on. Like, it looked really freaking good. So hopefully this video helped you. If the stabilization is good enough for you, if it's not good enough for you, if you're just gonna wait for the next model to come out. For me, I wouldn't upgrade if you have a 13 Pro. If you have a 12, yeah, I'd probably upgrade to the 14. Please comment if you have the 14 and you like it, or if you don't like it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as always, see you in the next one.